like this. I'll roll it. Where's mine? Here, Barb. Here. Guys, yan na natin. Like this, girl, like this. Center. Center, then press, then roll up. Kapag guys, kapag you're rolling na here, di ba para palapit na sa dulo? Huwag nyo nalagyan ng pressure. Sa center lang na yung lalagyan ng pressure. Tapos lagyan siya yung turn para hindi mawawala yung shape ng circle. Okay?
Hey, Mama. When it's perfectly circle, without any scars, then you can draw.
Don't flip it, na ganyan. Kasi yung ano tayo sa mga kids, that one is smooth.
So,
Like this now. Then after that, you take turns in the rolling pin.
Last day na niya. Pang sabihin ko.
Center mo na, lagyan yung pressure, then roll up.
Bilis.
what's over sa akin?
Nakakawit naman to ng kamay.
Yung spread, yung kung saan yung parang fold.
Kalahating oras. Patagala.
Video.
Okay, put pressure lang, a little lang. So you can do this.
Like this?
Tiyan na.
Yes, a little bit more. Kasi super...
It's hard.
Yung dough hindi dapat luto. You want it like super lit? Mini.
No, I need to begin with my mom. Okay. It was the I don't know. Yes, I want it. Yes. You have cookie cutters instead.
You want it?
Now star pizza? Yes! Any other shapes of cookie cutters? It's awesome. I don't want a star pizza. I want a star pizza. I want a heart. Yung cookie cutter.
Then,
There's cookie cutters. Cookie cutters. Ilaw na pizza. Balot na mini.
flat 4 pa.
Spread us. I can cookie cutter.
You want?
Yeah, I want a
Small egg.
I want the cookie cutter. I want the cookie cutter.
Then you fold it. Para yan.
Ah? What about here?
Okay, para hindi magkakaroon ng bubbles. Harder. Good folds talaga.
Wait, pwede yung cookie cutter.
Big roll lang lang tayo, rounds. Borrow mo.
Pwede na.
So you roll up na. Gabby. Center. Center mo na.
Teacher, bakit ganito yung sa akin?
Eh kasi, hindi mo kinip yung pagka-rounds eh. Dapat you keep it round.
How?
Pag kasi nangyari yung ganun naman eh. Oh, bugbog na yan. Too much.
Uy, I need that.
Wait for your turn.
You got it set up. Nice. Just keep spreading it sideways, sideways, sideways. I know.
Turn it para round.
Help. It's stuck. Panada. It smells like butter. Butter? No way, I smell butter. Really?
Ate,
Yeah.
cooking.
Hey.
Wait lang, wait.
No, no, no.
Roll it pa, like to para makinis.
You didn't want me or big one. Mama.
Oh. Anong pork neck?
I don't know.
Mukha na kainin sa'yo. Press, roll up. Press, roll left. Then twist.
Teachers kasi
Pressure. Pressure gun. Pressure. Are you done?
Yes. so
pressure.
Where's your first? Where's the
Wait.
Pepperoni. Dog food. Not too much. Marka, ginamit.
That's your sausage.
Okay.
Okay, which one do you like? Sweet pizza sauce or Italian?
Sweet.
All sweet? All.
Sweet ka. Hey. Sweet pizza sauce. Sweet me. Normal pizza sauce.
Roll. Roll it for your cousin.
Ay, normal ba? Pepperoni.
Okay guys, your is done na.
Yay! Don't eat it. No, it's not. I mean, it's What happened to yours? Look at this.
Okay, continue.
Uy! My pizza sauce. That's not
For your calzone lang don't touch your pizza dough Okay. Take this. Half lang. Or kahit lahat, pero huwag mong didikitan sa sides. Okay? Delicate yan sa middle lang.
Ay, calzone. Ay, na to?
A little. You can spread pa that one. Spread it.
Yeah? Both sides. Why so Okay na to? Okay na?
Yeah. Tapos, put
The pepperoni.
Yes. And
Is that
your...
pepperoni? Many pepperoni.
Ano po? Very sticks yan. Pero, it's na long lang na love na.
Pretzels, Mama, pretzels. That's my name. I'm done.
Oh, pineapple. Sausage yan.
Hey, teacher, can I make it like Hawaiian?
Yeah. Pero wala tayong ham.
I don't care. I'm gonna use that.
Wala kang parang cash.
I want many. Hello.
Yes.
Okay.
Ilan ha? Parang ito po dyan, ang dami. Ang dami naman yan. Kunti lang. Ipo-fold natin yan, guys. Ipo-fold
Can I
natin.
eat one?
Yes, sure.
Hey, can you give me the
You're hungry na
sauce?
ba? Alita lang. Buwasan mo baga. Ano? Alita lang.
Pwede na ba yung sa'yo, Shine?
Ay, shine. That's too thick.
What?
That's too thick.
Yeah, has to be famous.
Yeah.
Which bottle? Wow, that's so Uy, huwag dyan.
Okay. Dressing it.
Kuha ka dito. Go, kuha ka dito.
Yep.
Teacher, pwede
Yes.
siya mo muna dito kasi ano.
Yes.
Okay, kuha ka dito. Hey, don't finish the pineapple. Hindi na ayoko nang madami.
Itinigay mo ng sausage. Bawas mo sausage. Okay, that's too much. Hindi mo mako-fold yan.
Balik ko? Hindi, kainin mo.
Ilagay mo dyan sa Tupperware. There.
Teacher, is this okay?
Yeah, let's take
Hey,
it
I'm gonna use some pineapple here.
Guys, faster.
Okay na to?
Yeah, tapos fold mo.
Paano? Kaya about na? Fold. Ano pa ba? How will you fold this?
Wait,
Okay na to?
wait lang. Okay.
Give me one last pineapple.
Okay, here. Bye. Dapat take mo kasi.
Oh, we're jamming. What is happening? We're just wasting.
Yes. Here pa. A little bit na lang.
Sure, okay na to? Kasi pineapple. Okay na.
Oh, not yet.
Teacher. Dami. Ay, ko ba dami cheese?
I want
You're
cheese.
dripping some water in my hair. I love cheese. I want. Kala ko yung cheese. I love cheese. Gusto ko yung cheese.
Wait. Oh, not too much kasi sasako ka.
Sunshine. Your name is Sunshine? Yeah. What? Taking out the sausage. Wait. See, I was.
Next
around
one.
that.
Pepperoni. That's the pepperoni.
That's the sausage. Yung panalo.
Ate is done na.
Ilan minutes yun?
This one. Hungry ka na?
Can I taste the bread?
Yeah.
Ilan minutes yun?
This one, 10 to 15 minutes.
Whoa. Hey, can I have a cheese?
Little lang guys kasi hindi nyo masasara yan. Eh, kapag nilagay natin sa binake natin, uuwi yung cheese. Ito lang, kay Ate Marga, this is yours.
Sa akin yung may dots.
Yes, okay yan.
Okay.
Okay lang.
May dots. Wala ka ng dots. Wala. Okay. Don't like something. Sa akin mo daw. Okay.
Spread it na. Cheese for you.
Sa akin yung madaming dots. Cheese on that, right?
Teacher folds in.
Teacher, can I taste the bread?
Yes. Yours lang ha. Get yours.
Oh,
But don't put in the edge.
meron bang ano to, sauce?
Yung.
Bread. What? Where?
Try mo yung bread niya.
Where? You can taste.
Salty yung sa'yo kasi ang dami mong nilagay.
You want sauce?
Try mo lang. If I think it's too salty.
Where's mine? What sauce? What has it?
Burn.
It's burning my hand.
Kasi sa
Stop.
eggs.
It's burned.
Burn ba yung lasa niya?
It's burned. The other. Oh, I love it. Now
tinan mo siya yun, kasi ang dami.
Ito, see? These are mine?
That's yours, what teachers
Walang sauce to talaga. Wala.
Meron, white garlic sauce.
Skip that. I'm gonna eat this cheese. Sarap.
Ayaw mag-close. Ayaw mag-close ang sa'yo.
Tigas pa rin. Tigas pa rin. Ito na lang. May kay Gabi yan.
Sure. Okay, little lang ha. Oh, you can put ano. Like this, oh. Last pa. Kasi, konti na.
Okay lang. Yay. Hey! Wait, Valerie, can I have one of your lines? Here. Yes, thank you. Broken hearted. Where's the cheese? What's in here, guys? Eat the pineapple.
Data.
Huh?
This one.
Chop.
Masarap with this thing.
What? This is my cheese.
That's mine! What did you eat it?
Yeah.
It's okay lang. Sige lang. Kasi di ba, I told you nga, di ba, you do your own breadsticks, tapos ayaw mo po.
Yummy. Yummy cheese. Oh, cute. Pineapple. Oh,
Hey guys, you can wash your hands na.
yours.
Lulutuin. Hindi pa po, lulutuin yung crust ko bago lagyan mo. Careful ha, Gabi.